By the time we mention this, it's more or less public knowledge that the good folks over at Ripple have come up with a credit product, also known as the line of credit scheme, which helps provide the XRP coin with on-demand liquidity. International financial stakeholders from around the globe have continually endorsed the XRP coin as the perfect bridge between the currencies of the old and the new world order. An indication that this asset is most definitely going to be huge. What's left is only a matter of time. As is customary with this channel, we'll be taking a conservative approach, yet with a considerable amount of optimism towards analyzing this coin, to provide you guys with a clearer picture of the kind of wealth potential this cryptocurrency proposes in the near, mid, and long terms. Thanks for tuning in to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. So before we jump right into today's price prediction for XRP, we should look at what Ripple and its XRP token entail, where it is standing in this ongoing lawsuit, as well as what this digital asset aims to achieve in the future. Ultimately, we go right into the day's action, as we would also be looking at some price predictions for this coin. Ripple is the company behind the payment settlement currency and remittance system intended for banks and payment networks. The idea behind the creation of the Ripple protocol is to provide a system for the direct transfer of assets like money, gold, and other tangible assets that settles in almost real time. It's cheaper, more transparent, and much more seamless and secure to transferring money across borders than the conventional systems used by banks today, such as SWIFT. Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin, and grew to the status of a decacorn company precisely 3 years ago. In total, there would be a pre-minted supply of 100 billion XRP tokens, with a release clause that disperses a specified amount of these tokens out from the company's wallets into the markets to bolster its liquidity. The current circulating supply of XRP is pegged at about 46 billion, a drop from its previous 60 billion supply capacity from a few months ago. The company is a US-based software development firm established by a fintech and blockchain expert team to create a payment system that banks could use to transfer funds domestically and internationally. Ripple's target clientele is the financial service industry, or corporate clients, if you may. However, anybody can buy and sell XRP from the comfort of their home. And just like Bitcoin, the Ripple blockchain doesn't require third parties to confirm and verify the transaction, yet with a much higher transaction speed per second than the #1 cryptocurrency on the planet. Ripple allows its users to receive funds on a peer-to-peer basis. Long after Ripple had made its debut into the Hall of Fame of the most innovative fintech companies on the planet, joining the likes of Coinbase, Gemini, and a few others, world-renowned business magazine Forbes dedicated a blog post under its advisory section for the blockchain payment processing firm, while taking a detailed approach to explaining what the Ripple company stands for, as well as what its network is slated for, what its native asset XRP is, and why you should get your hands on some of those. Authored by 2 staffers from the media powerhouse's payroll, notable for delving into such news updates as current events and trends concerning financial investment, retirement plans, business, technology, cryptocurrencies, and the like, contributing writer David Rodek and editor John Schmidt, both of whom take a deeper dive into Ripple's advantages, as well as its disadvantages, among other things. However, concluding the piece with quite a stunning remark that reads, "That said, if you believe that Ripple will emerge victorious against the SEC and continue taking over as a payment system, then it could be worth buying XRP." If we take a look at a tweet from a little while ago made by Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse, he hints about his excitement towards an upcoming event, saying, "Looking forward to discussing crypto's momentum on Wednesday at the Aspen Security Forum. With clear frameworks and clear regulation, I have no doubt that this industry will flourish here in the US and globally." If you click through to the link provided in that tweet, you'd see several guest speakers from diverse backgrounds coming to talk about various topics regarding global developments. The chairman of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, alongside Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, will be coming together to talk about different subjects. Also, looking at Gary Gensler's tweet from earlier, you could tell this was a big deal on that same day. However, I do hope some positivity would eventually come out of that. This event already took place about a week ago. You might be a little confused as to why this is a big deal for us, but for all of us in the XRP community, we could never have been more elated than we are right now. If this event could bring the two most influential figures in the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, then we might have a shot at ironing things out without the need for the court. Now, if you head on over to the technical analysis for the XRP coin in the future and why we think this digital asset is destined to explode to more extraordinary highs, the market over the span of the last 24 hours is oscillating between the upper and middle ranges of the Bollinger Band, just as it encounters and embraces the middle band as a support line. The trading volumes have been looking great in the last 24 hours. Even though a little bit on the downside compared to its value from a few months back, the market share of the trading volume of XRP has pumped over the last couple of days. And over the previous 24 hours, even more, with the idea being that if XRP keeps moving in tandem with Bitcoin's trend, as it is evident that Bitcoin is headed short in Wave C, just as XRP enters a broadening wedge which is bound to expand Wave C to 0.25, as a ripple effect of the correction entailed by the minor Wave 4, and from that point forward, going further up to complete the little Wave 5. If we get to see a sudden spike in the trading volume, we should expect the above analysis to be factual within the next few days. Based on the daily trend analysis, the price of XRP is expected to oscillate between the upper Bollinger Band, yet bearing with it a slight inclination towards a bullish momentum. As per the price volatility, we had quite an approximately reduced one at 3.41%. On the daily charts, XRP's price ranges between 76.1 cents and 82.6 cents. Settling at 82 cents, it would have a market share of about $38 billion. The analysis is based on signals from 26 technical indicators on a 4-hour chart. The indicator summary supplies a buy signal for XRP, and of the 11 oscillator indicators, one provides a buy signal, another a sell signal, while the 9 remainders bear a neutral signal. On the other hand, 13 out of the total 15 moving average indicators prove a buy signal, one of them a neutral signal, with just a single indication pointing to the negative. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.